Welcome back. Goa police have arrested Sean Dumont, accused in number of cheating cases. He was missing for the past 4 months. Goa police arrested him in Impal at Manipur and brought him to Goa on Wednesday. He has allegedly duped people of 80 lakh rupees. He is remanded to 7 days police custody.
Sean Dumont was wanted in cheating cases from a long time. He was missing from past 4 months. Goa police were in search of Sean Dumont. He was hiding in Manipur. The cheating amount is estimated to 80 lakh rupees. Team of Goa police headed by PSI of Kankan Sheriff Jacques reached Manipur and arrested Sean.
He was involved in cheating cases. Travel agent he has dipped about more than 80 lakhs and he was absconding. He was at Manipur. My police team, PSI Sheriff Jacques and team went to Manipur, Alfred PC, and with the assistant of Manipur police, they have arrested the accused Sean Dumont, and they have brought him now here to Goa. He is native from Manipur. He has duped travel agents for more than 80 lakhs.
It may be recalled that 3 women in Madgaon and Kolba were cheated by Sean Dumont. He allegedly cheated them to 23 lakh 50,000 rupees. These women are into travel agency business. They informed that Sean Dumont was into ticketing business with them since January. Sean Dumont is remanded to 7 days police custody and further investigation is on. Our reporter Surendra Matkekar.
Although the first term of this academic year is over, government and diocese and society feel that the medium of instruction can be shifted to English even now. On the other hand, petitioners in the High Court have stressed on the point that implementation and shift of medium is inadvisable at this stage.
Secretary of Diocesan Society, Father Zefirino, said that implementation of MOI decision should not be stopped. He said that aided schools don't have any problem in shifting to another medium, even at this point of time. He said that aided school teachers teach in both languages.
There won't be any problem to change any time from Konkani to English or English Konkani because they always use both the languages in teaching. So anyway, the court's decision will take its own turn or its own course, but I expect the court will take seriously this vital issue and take its own decision, and surely decision should be to switch on to English because government has decided over this.
Government is also of the opinion that medium of instruction can be changed in the middle of this academic year. He argued that government is all equipped to change the medium if court allows it. On the other side, petitioner and educationist are arguing that shift at this stage is unadvisable. Our reporter Basuri Desai in Panji with video journalist Sarvesh Veluskar.
Wholesale fish market at Madel in Margaon is in a total mess. It has become a filthy place with fish waste, dirty water and breeding ground for epidemics. Locals have been complaining from the last 10 years.
This is what you can see in the wholesale fish market at Madel. There are composting units, but they are not used. They were built spending 6 lakh rupees. Accumulation of dirty water has become a breeding area for epidemics. Moreover, this water has destroyed farms in the vicinity. Locals are annoyed with this menace. They claim that they have been complaining from last 10 years, but no authority has taken any cognizance. Some of the residents have filed a petition in the High Court.
दोनों मार्केट मेंटेनेंस ना प्रॉपर वेस्ट ट्रीटमेंट ना बेसिक फॅसिलिटीज ना लायक इथे वेस्टाचे प्रॉपरली ट्रीटमेंट करतले आनी हिंगा सुपरवायझिंग ना कोणालेंच एक ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट म्हणून बांदपा हें केलो म्हणजे 5-6 लाख म्हणल्यार तरी पूण सगळो वेस्ट हिंगा हे घाणे उदक सगळे शेतां वयता आतां ते पावस पड म्हणून कांय पडना जाल्यार ते सामकें हें जायन हें जाता.
दक्षिण गोंयांतलें मुखेल नुस्त्याचें होलसेल मार्केट म्हटल्यार हें मडगांवचें होलसेल मार्केट. पूण हांगा सद्याची परिस्थिती ह्या मार्केटाची पळयत जाल्यार हांगचें नुस्तें व्हरून खावप म्हटल्यार दुयेंत पडप. अजून मेरेन कसलीच कोणीच कांय हाजेर कारवाय जाल्ली ना. आतां तरी संबंधीत अधिकारी जागे जातले आनी हाजेर नजर मारतले अशी आस्त बाळगून मडगांवच्यान हांव समीर भट.
Sawadekars have demanded a bypass road for mining traffic from Gudemol to Kapche. They say that the authorities should start work on Gudemal-Kapse Road first and then move on to Uge-Gudemal Road.
People face a lot of trouble due to delay in constructing the bypass. They have asked the government to start the work of Gudemal to Kapse bypass immediately.
आमची सरकाराकडे रिक्वेस्ट आसा की जात तितले बेगीन हो बायपास रस्तो करून लोकांक दिवचो, जेणे करून लोकय बी सुखी आनी त्याच बरोबर आमचे ट्रक मालकाची इतली वर्सांची जी मोठी मागणी आसली तेतूंतल्यान बी आमकां मुक्ती मेळटली.
गुडेमाळ जावं नाजाल्यार उगेच्यान कुडली जावं हे बायपास जे कितें धोरण आसा तें ताणें बेगींतल्या बेगीन लक्षांत घेवचें आनी बेगींतल्या बेगीन बायपास करचो अशें म्हाजे मागणें गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन आसा.
गुड्डेमळ टू कापसे हो रस्तो पयलीं जावचो, कित्याक तर पयलींच हांगा 3-4 कंपनीचें काम चालू आसतना हांगा इतलो ट्रॅफिक जाम जाता आनी लोकांची हालत जाता.
सरकारान कितें एक्शन घेतलां हें आजून कोणाकूय खबर ना. खरेंच हो मायनिंग रोड जातलो. सावडेच्यान मयूर नायक, प्रुडंट मिडिया खातीर.
News from sports after a short break. Stay tuned.